Okay, I'm gonna show you how to go from your small drawing to your big paper. Okay, and Elisha's gonna help me out. So, see right here, his name does not go from the top to the bottom, and then it gets really small. So when we move it to the big apron, we're going to he's gonna write out the word, his name, E-L-I-S-H-A. And then he needs to find the middle letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I and S are the middle. So it's really, the middle is between I and S. So here's our big apron. We find the middle right here. So you're gonna put an I on this side and an S on this side. We always wanna draw light until we get it how we want it. So I'm gonna just draw that for him. That was shaky, so I'm gonna redo that. Draw that for him, and he can change it if he doesn't like it. The reason we're starting in the middle is so we don't run out of space on the edges. Okay, so now he needs this letter. He needs to do the E and the A, and then he can fill in the other letters. So the E can go over here. Then he can put the L, and it's very spread out, so we're probably gonna have to go work back on this one. S, he's gonna put an H here, and then an A. And he can change any of this. I'm sorry it's so crooked. Not used to drawing this far away. Okay, so now it stretches across and it's up, all the way up and down. Okay, he also, this is supposed to be an artist nickname and he wants to go by Eli, so he can fill that in. That looks good. These right here, he was supposed to put art tools. They need to stretch from the top of the spot to the bottom. So he's got like a crayon of some kind, a colored pencil. So it's gonna go, this is a big colored pencil. It's gonna go from the top to the bottom. And then it will not, it'll go under these things, so it won't, you have to erase those parts. See how the tool stretches? I'm gonna do it darker. Hope this is right. So now you can see the pencil right there, how it goes from the top to the bottom. Okay, in the pocket, on the pocket, you're gonna put things that represent you. So he made a football and a cookie, but they're very small. He needs to make those bigger. So his football can go down here, and we wanna make sure that it's the right shape for a football and not just a sweet potato. So we wanna give it some volume. So that's a good football shape. And then he can put a cookie coming out of the pocket. And it's a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm gonna make it have a background and some chocolate chips. Okay. All right. Now, there's one thing that's kind of confusing on this. It says add a background with color, pattern, and designs. It also says add characteristics of your favorite art or artist. You can just put a theme. So his theme could be, let's see. I gave an example to somebody else. If they like the artist Van Gogh, they could make the background like Starry Night. It's one of his paintings. You can Google that. It just depends on what you want to do. But the main thing is that you get your name really big on this one, and that, well, you just draw big. So this big version of the apron will be available for pickup on Monday, along with some other materials. Thanks.